Let's see a demo of Store Task Questionnaires new in the June 26 retail release. A store task represents the work that gets assigned to each store as part of a retail task plan. In the Q1 release, HQ teams could already create tasks and send them to hundreds and thousands of stores at once. With Store Task Questionnaires, HQ authors can now embed a questionnaire directly within the store task step of the plan playbook. Question types can include multiple choice checkboxes, drop-downs, free text, QR code scanning, and even file attachments. Each question can also carry additional guidance, so associates have the context they need right where their work happens. Let's take a look. Angelia is the HQ operations lead. She's in the CSM FSM configurable workspace and creates a new store plan using the HQ communication template. She names it Daily Store Opening Checklist and moves through the playbook, HQ case, store case, landing on the store task step. On the store task step, Angelia clicks Create New Questionnaire. The questionnaire builder opens, built on Smart Assessment. The details page is already configured for the retail context, and the target table is preset. Angelia moves to the Questions tab and starts by adding instructions at the top. This is a brief note for the associate on what this checklist is going to cover. She adds the first section, safety check, and her first question. Is the alarm disarmed and verified? She marks it required and adds a guidance note with an image of what the alarm panel should look like. That image will appear right next to the question on the associate's mobile device. She also adds checkbox questions with different options and a file upload question for a photo of the store entrance. After adding all the questions she needs, Angelia can apply some additional settings to make this more powerful. The first is conditional visibility. One of the questions asks whether all the emergency exits are unobstructed. Angelia sets this up so that if a store associate answers no, a follow-up question immediately appears asking for a photo. The associate is only prompted for extra information when something is actually wrong, so this questionnaire adapts based on their answers. The second is scoring. Angelia can enable scoring on several questions and assign point values to each answer choice. The safety-related questions carry more weight than general readiness items, so the final score reflects what actually matters the most for this checklist. She can choose to score by question, by section, or across the whole form. With the questionnaire complete, Angelia publishes it, and is now attached to the store task. She continues through the playbook, selects the stores for this checklist rollout, and publishes her retail task plan. With the retail task plan published, cases and tasks are dispatched to every selected store on schedule. Now let's see what the store team receives. Frank opens the ServiceNow mobile app. He sees the daily store opening checklist case in his queue, automatically assigned to him as Miami Mart's store manager. He taps into the case and then into the store task. Frank assigns the task to himself, and the Take Questionnaire button appears at the bottom of the screen. Frank taps Take Questionnaire. The instructions Angelia wrote appear first. He moves through the questions, confirms the alarm is disarmed, checks off the areas he's walked, and takes a photo of the store entrance. The guidance image Angelia attached appears right next to the alarm question. Frank submits the questionnaire and closes the task. Back in the workspace, Angelia can navigate into the completed questionnaire from the task record to see Frank's responses, all without leaving ServiceNow. Store Task Questionnaires are about making retail store work happen better, with less friction for store teams and more confidence for HQ. Associates get clear, step-by-step guidance right where they need it, with conditional prompts that adapt to what's actually happening. HQ gets consistent, verified results back from every location without the back and forth. That's ServiceNow doing what it's built to do, connecting the people doing the work with the teams managing it, so nothing falls through the cracks. And because it's all built on the same retail task plan foundation, retailers can use this same capability to build out the structured processes that matter most to their operations, from daily store routines to safety and compliance workflows.